Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best treadmill to upgrade your home workouts in 2026? Whether you want a compact walking treadmill, a powerful folding running machine, or a heavy-duty incline treadmill for serious cardio sessions, we've rounded up the 5 best options available on Amazon. Watch until the end to find the perfect treadmill for your fitness goals. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ProForm Carbon Treadmills. The ProForm Carbon Treadmills, a versatile option built for both walking and running at home. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, this treadmill offers a built-in fan to help keep you cool during intense workouts and a space-saver design that makes storage much easier when you're done exercising. It's a great choice for users who want a reliable treadmill that fits well into a home gym setup without taking up too much space. Whether you're walking for daily activity or running to improve endurance, the ProForm Carbon delivers a smooth and comfortable workout experience. Pros: great for both walking and running, built-in fan for added comfort, space-saver design for easier storage, ideal for home workouts, smooth and reliable performance. Number 2. Treadmill with Auto Incline. The Treadmill with Auto Incline, a powerful folding electric treadmill designed for home use. With a 300-pound capacity, 3.0 HP motor, and speeds up to 8.5 mph, this treadmill is built to support a wide range of fitness levels. Its 17.5-inch wide tread belt gives you plenty of room to move comfortably, while the auto incline feature adds extra intensity to your workouts. The built-in Bluetooth speaker is a nice bonus for anyone who likes to listen to music or podcasts while exercising. Pros: auto incline for more challenging workouts, 300-pound weight capacity, strong 3.0 HP motor, up to 8.5 mph speed, wide 17.5-inch tread belt, Bluetooth speaker for entertainment. Number 3. Auto Incline BORGUSI Treadmill. The Auto Incline BORGUSI Treadmill, a heavy-duty treadmill made for home fitness users who want a sturdy and dependable machine. With its wide belt and incline capability, it is designed to provide a comfortable and effective running or walking experience at home. This treadmill is a solid option for people who want to burn more calories, improve endurance, and enjoy a more natural running motion at home. Its heavy-duty construction makes it a dependable choice for regular use. Pros: auto incline for added workout intensity, heavy-duty build for home use, wide belt for comfortable movement, great for walking and running, reliable performance for daily training. Number 4. Cursor Fitness 16% Incline Treadmill. The Cursor Fitness 16% Incline Treadmill takes the 4th spot with its compact design and impressive incline capability. Built for home users who want a space-saving treadmill without sacrificing performance, this model offers a 3.0 HP motor, foldable design, and a strong 400-pound capacity. It also includes 3 LED displays to help you track your workout stats easily. With speeds from 0.6 to 7.0 mph, it works well for walking, light jogging, and incline training. This is a great option for smaller spaces and users who want a portable treadmill with serious features. Pros: 16% incline for intense workouts, compact and foldable design, 3.0 HP motor, up to 400-pound capacity, 3 LED displays for workout tracking, portable and easy to store. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series. Rounding out our list is the NordicTrack T-Series, one of the most popular treadmill lines for home fitness. Known for its dependable performance and user-friendly design, the T-Series is a great choice for walkers, joggers, and runners who want a trusted treadmill brand. It offers a balanced workout experience and is well suited for everyday cardio training at home. If you're looking for a treadmill that combines comfort, durability, and brand reliability, the NordicTrack T-Series is a strong option. Pros: trusted NordicTrack brand, great for walking, jogging, and running, comfortable for everyday home workouts, reliable and durable design, good choice for beginners and regular users. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best treadmills on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall treadmill, the ProForm carbon treadmills are a great pick. For users who want auto incline and strong performance, the treadmill with auto incline is an excellent choice. If you need a heavy-duty treadmill with a wide belt, the BORGUSI auto incline treadmill is worth considering. For those who want a compact, high-incline treadmill, the Cursor Fitness 16% incline treadmill stands out. And if you want a trusted all-around option, the NordicTrack T-Series is always a solid choice. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.